Want to improve your English speaking? It's easy. Just watch, listen carefully, and shadow with us. Shadowing means repeating what you hear, just like an echo. So listen to each sentence, pause the video, and speak after us. Let's begin your English journey the smart way. Hello, friends. Today, we will learn English by talking about rice. Rice is not just food, it is a part of India's life, culture, and festivals.
There are many types of rice, but the most common are white rice and brown rice. White rice is soft and easy to cook. Most people in India eat white rice every day. Brown rice is more healthy. It has more fiber. It is better for diabetic patient because it has a low glycemic index. Many people who want to stay fit eat brown rice.
Rice gives us energy. It has carbohydrates, some protein, and a little fat. It is easy to digest. Rice is gluten free, so it is good for people with food allergies. It also helps in keeping the body strong and full.
Rice is very important in Indian culture. When a baby eats solid food for the first time, we give rice. This is called the Annaprasan ceremony. In Indian wedding, people throw rice on the bride and grooms. It is a way to give blessings and good wishes. Even in the last ritual, we use rice. So, rice is with us from birth to death.
India grows a lot of rice. In fact, India is the second largest exporter of rice in the world. Only Thailand exports more rice than India. Indian rice is sent to many countries like UAE, Saudi Arabia, USA, and more.
Many states in India grow rice. The top rice producing states are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. These states produce a large amount of rice every year.
So, friends, now you know a lot about rice in simple English. Practice speaking these sentences every day. And remember, rice is not just food, it's a part of life.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gyani Youth for more English lesson with real topics.